Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner 4WD Luxury has arrived and it's making a bold statement in the world of premium SUVs. Designed for those who want power, style, and comfort all in one package, this new Fortuner continues Toyota's legacy of reliability while adding a modern touch of luxury and advanced features. From its aggressive front grille to its premium interiors, the 2025 model is everything you'd expect from a top-tier sub and more. Under the hood, the Fortuner 4WD Luxury packs a powerful 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers strong performance on and off the road. With 201 horsepower and 500 Newton-meters of torque, it ensures you're never short on power whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rough terrain. The engine is mated to a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, giving you effortless gear shifts and a refined driving experience. And with the 4-wheel drive system, you can confidently take this SUV anywhere, from city streets to mountain trails, without breaking a sweat. Toyota has truly stepped up its game when it comes to exterior design. The 2025 Fortuner features a bold and muscular look with sleek LED headlamps, a redesigned chrome-accented front grille, and a sharper overall silhouette. The 18-inch alloy wheels add to its commanding presence, while the new rear combination lamps and a touch of chrome detailing give it a premium edge. Every angle of the Fortuner speaks of strength and sophistication, making it one of the most stylish SUVs in its class. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that oozes comfort and class. The cabin is wrapped in soft-touch materials and leather upholstery, offering a luxurious feel the moment you get in. The seats are ventilated and electrically adjustable, providing maximum comfort on long journeys. The dashboard features a new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, paired with an 8-speaker JBL sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio. Ambient lighting adds to the premium vibe, making every drive feel like a first-class experience. In terms of technology and safety, the 2025 Fortuner 4WD Luxury is well equipped. It includes Toyota Safety Sense, which features adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection. There's also a 360-degree camera for better visibility, front and rear parking sensors, and multiple airbags to keep all passengers safe. The Fortuner also includes electronic stability control, hill start assist, and downhill assist control, making it incredibly capable in tricky driving conditions. Comfort isn't just limited to the driver. Rear passengers also benefit from plenty of legroom and headroom, along with their own climate control vents and USB charging ports. The third row is spacious enough for kids or shorter trips, and the boot space is generous, especially when the third row seats are folded down. Whether you're going on a road trip or heading out for daily errands, this SUV can handle it all with ease. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements, with Toyota fine-tuning the engine and aerodynamics to offer better mileage without compromising power. The ride quality is smooth and composed, thanks to the suspension system that absorbs bumps and rough surfaces with ease. Whether you're in the city or the countryside, the Fortuner delivers a balanced and confident drive. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner 4WD Luxury is a perfect blend of rugged performance and high-end comfort. It caters to those who seek adventure but don't want to compromise on style or technology. With its upgraded looks, enhanced features, and Toyota's reputation for durability, this SUV is ready to dominate the roads and trails in 2025. If you're in the market for a reliable yet luxurious SUV, the new Fortuner deserves a spot at the top of your list. We'll see you next video.